Alright, so I've got another open cluster planned to sketch right now, and it is in the constellation Orion. This open cluster is just a small one, not very many stars. It's NGC2169. So let's have a look at where it's located in Stellarium, and then we will get on with the sketch.
NGC2169, sometimes referred to as the 37 cluster, is a relatively bright open cluster located in the constellation Orion. This open cluster is in the arm of Orion and is around a magnitude 5.9 and lies 3,600 light-years away. The relatively small cluster is only about 7 light-years across and estimated to be around 8 million years old. Now that we know where the telescope is pointed, let's sketch this object. This cluster, like most of the clusters I sketch, I start off placing the stars around the outside edge and work my way in. After getting those stars placed, I start working on the stars that form the actual cluster itself. Once done placing the stars in this small cluster, I made sure I got even the elusive stars that pop in and out of view, and then I used the kneaded eraser to dim some of the stars that I placed. That about wraps up the sketch of this intriguing little open cluster, so let's have a look at the final sketch. After bringing the sketch inside, I added a bit of color to some of the stars. A few of them had a slight blue tint to them, while a couple others had an orange color. I did some minor touch-ups to the image in GIMP, added the eyepiece view and the details, and that is the extent of the editing of this image. I didn't realize this cluster was shaped like the number 37 since my SCT mirrors what I see, so I took the liberty to mirror the image, and I even drew the number 37 if you still aren't able to see it. This open cluster is one I have never viewed or imaged in the past. It was completely off my radar, but I'm on a bit of an open cluster kick at the moment, so I'm seeking them out. Also, I'm following a list created by David Fuller, links to him in the description and up above. He created this list for people new to astronomy and that are good objects to view even in light-polluted skies, so I highly recommend checking out his list. Anyway, that about wraps up another fun sketch. Thank you very much for watching, and clear skies!